Good morning. This is Coach Zion. I would like today to show you how do we withdraw money from Digital Adverts Limited, which is www.digitaladverts.co. And once you reach there, you simply go to log in. You simply go to log in and you log into your account. Remember, you should have your username and password. So you put in username and password and you log in. Okay, now this is my account. It has about 63,000. Let me withdraw like some money and see. So I come on the menu here. I come on my finances and I click on withdraw funds. So as I click withdraw funds, I come and select method. I want it on Airtel money. So I can put in the amount. Let me withdraw 22,300 such that I can get 20,000 on my account because they will charge me 2,300. So you put in the number. This is my number 701326021. I confirm still the number 70132. Okay, this is the number. So I come and I put in my password. Okay, so I put in the password. I reconfirm the number 256. Okay, so after I can see 22,300 Airtel money. I put in the number. So here I can now click withdraw funds. So I click withdraw funds. I click with okay. They're adding me that you have withdrawn cash entry. I've filled a message coming up on my phone. Okay, here it's it. Okay, you can see the message is here. 22,000 has been posted. Right now it is 12:13. You can see the message is here, down here, 20,000 withdrawn from my system. I can show you the transaction history, and I can say account history showing that they have withdrawn on the 9th of December 22,300. And message it is here on the same date of 9th December 2021 at 12. God bless you. So simply we withdraw our money and it is instant at ADVERTS.